the processing of jute yarn are still traditional and not having the technological advancement. The sickening and the closure of the jute mills are having the direct relevance with the lesser technical upgradation of the mills. I would like to know from the minister whether the textile ministry is contemplating to support with the technological upgradation program so as to have the proper production of the jute, which is having lot of export orientation. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, as the Honourable Member has said, that jute has a traditional legacy in India, but in the building of modern India, jute also has a big contribution and a role to play, especially given that a diversified jute product known as geotextiles is emerging as a different segment altogether. Given the Prime Minister's clarion call for smart cities, geotextiles has a huge role to play, and in terms of industry diversification prospects, those are the prospects that can be serviced. But the biggest challenge, sir, to ensure that there is diversification in the jute sector is the fact that the growth of the jute crop is in itself a challenge, given that many farmers don't have access to certified seeds. We have seen that comparatively Bangladesh has had a higher export because they have ensured that more and more of their farmers are encompassed within the certified seeds process. We recently held a meeting with the Honourable Agriculture Minister and invited all the jute producing states to that particular meeting to implore that they, in conjunction with the National Seed Corporation, actually have more and more jute farmers come within and use certified seeds. We are hopeful that the states will comply with that request of the Government of India, but in itself the Textile Ministry has ensured that we, in conjunction with our own units, we work with the National Seed Corporation and through our offices also ensure distribution of certified seeds. As the Honourable Member speaks about opportunities of embedding technology, diversification in conjunction with technology is also possible and supported by the government, but the base, the foundation has to be strengthened through better farming practices.
3 मस्जिद एक मंदिर हिंदू समुदाय के द्वारा है। 3 मस्जिदों पर माइक रहेगा, लेकिन मंदिर से माइक उतार दिया जाता है। क्या यही सेकुलर एजेंडा है इन लोगों का? यही सेकुलरिज्म है?